So as I was going to go connect my meter to the other side of this wire, I found the problem is beyond 5. So cool. Okay, so here's what the actual short looked like. It was broken. See, I just spent about 20 minutes unraveling this tape. It's not easy, and you gotta be really careful not to damage the wires while you're trying to get rid of it. So I'm gonna need to pull it back and cut it back like right here and splice on a new one. So yeah, and then I'll need to protect all these wires there and inspect them. So cut it, now we strip it. Okay, now we take a heat shrinked waterproof connector. So that wire was looking a little nasty, so I got it a little shorter. Not much room to work with. I twisted it, now I'm going to pull off. Okay, so now I've extended the wires back from where it's a fresh good wire with a waterproof heat shrink connector. I crimped it, I'm going to do a 5-pound pull test. Make sure our crimp is worth it. It's good to go. Okay, now we can test resistance from one side to the other, but I bet you it'll work. So the white one is the C2 connector, and the black one is the C1 connector, which is the one we're after. See the numbers? So pin 2 at the top and pin 11. Okay, so we're back probing one end of the wire. And there's our resistance. That's acceptable. A lot of that resistance was just in the leads in the wire. So our actual reading is about 0.08 ohms, which is acceptable, I'm pretty sure, even for a sensor like this. Okay, so I put these spade connectors, and I'll just chop them in half. Okay, now we're going to connect it. So the brown wire was negative and the blue one is positive. Okay, now I've marked it over here because I looked at the pinout. The one on the left is positive. The one on the right is negative.